One finger here, we're getting some questions about our easier pull clutch for the Harley Davidson bikes. So we're going to go over a little tutorial today and an installation on a customer's bike.
As long as you have a 1-inch bar set up and a cable pulled clutch, our one finger easier pull clutch will work for you. So we'll begin our installation.
Step one, before we get started up at the controls, we're going to loosen up the clutch at the cable itself. That way we get some slack when we're messing with the clutch up at the handlebar. For step two, you're going to remove the mirror because you're no longer going to use the OEM clutch perch. It's going to make getting to the clutch and removing it much easier. For step three, you're going to disassemble the stock clutch perch by removing the circlip and the pin. Okay, that went smoothly because as in step one, we loosened the clutch at the cable itself, which gave us enough adjustment and movability to get the lever out of the clutch perch.
Here we are with the removal of the OEM stock perch. You're going to want to notice two things. The one finger perch is going to be in line with the left control unit like the OEM, and you're going to want to recognize if you have a neutral safety switch. For step four, you're going to want to use the smaller Allen key that is used to remove the cable clutch cover on the one finger unit. Step five, you're going to place the cable loop inside the clutch lever. We find that placing the cable up against the perch first will guide the loop more smoothly into the lever. For step six, we provide a small Allen key and we suggest Loctite in order to properly place the clutch cable cover into place.
Step 7, you're going to want to make sure the one finger clutch perch is located all the way left against the left control unit. You're going to notice that it is flush at the top here, as close as the OEM as possible. And you're going to notice that the neutral safety switch pin is aligned perfectly to do its job. For step 8, you're going to use the bigger Allen that was provided to tighten the clutch perch clamp. For step 9, you're going to want to adjust the cable to take the slack out that we did in step 1.
You adjust the cable below, you will see tension go back into the lever. When adjusting your clutch, you're going to want to make sure you don't have too much slop in the line. If so, you're going to find it harder to find neutral. You're going to want to make sure there's enough tension on the lever to fully disengage the bike.
If you put your bike in gear and pull in the clutch and the bike rocks back and forth nice and smoothly, that means you're 100% go. Here we are at the end of our installation. Everything's nice and tight, everything's working well. The neutral safety switch is lined up correctly, disengaging correctly, but if you find yourself not finding neutral as easily, that means your tension isn't tight enough at the cable. And if you still have problems with that, you might want to check your secondary, but this one's all good to go. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at contact@onefinger.com. Thanks.